Rose Emily, where everything is easy to make and delicious to eat. Today I have a super quick and easy lunch or dinner recipe. We're gonna be making loaded fish tacos, loaded fried fish tacos. And now I love tacos. My favorite are fish tacos and shrimp tacos. And you know what? You can make this recipe whenever. It doesn't have to be on Tuesdays only. I hope you guys enjoy it. I use tilapia fillet, but you can use cod fish fillet as well, which is very popular in making fish tacos. But I always use tilapia. I don't know why. It's just good. It tastes good. So I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. I hope you guys can make it very, very soon. Now let's get started with the ingredients. Let's start with our fish. I have here 4 tilapia fillets. You can use codfish if you want as well. I already washed it and cut it in half, and then from that half I cut it in half as well, just to have chunks of fish. I'm gonna set that aside, and I have here 3 bowls: all-purpose flour, 3 beaten eggs with a little bit of salt and pepper, and Panko breadcrumbs to give it that crunch. What I'm gonna do is season our flour. So we're gonna add about 1.5 teaspoons of salt, a teaspoon of ground black pepper, a teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of paprika powder, and a teaspoon of garlic powder. We're gonna mix well, set that aside, and then we're ready to assemble our fish through the flour and then the eggs and then the panko breadcrumbs. So one by one, each fillet, we're gonna cover it up with the all-purpose flour, and then we're gonna drench it in the egg mixture. And then we're going to cover it up with panko breadcrumbs. So we're going to do this until all the fish is covered with our flour, eggs, and breadcrumbs. All right, my last fish. Here you go. Now we're ready to fry these fish up. I have here a large pan on medium-high heat. I added olive oil, enough to cover like half of the fish, and fry them. We're gonna fry these up for 3 minutes on each side, and then we're gonna flip it over to the other side so it can cook. Now tilapia cooks very easy and very fast. We're flipping it over. As you can see, it's golden brown, and that's what you want. So good and crispy. And we're going to continue frying this up for 3 minutes. All right, we are ready to take them out of the oil. I have here my plate, and I added paper towels so it can absorb the oil. I'm removing our tilapia, and I'm ready to add my other batch of tilapia. Again, we're cooking this at medium-high heat, and we're going to fry them up for 3 minutes on one side and then 3 minutes on the other side as well. We are ready to flip them over. Nice and golden brown and crunchy and crispy. So after they finish cooking for 3 minutes, we are ready to assemble our delicious and easy fish tacos. Look how good this tilapia fillet look. We're gonna add some lime juice on top, and I'm also adding a sprinkle of salt as well. There you go. That's it. Delicious, easy. Now let's make our loaded tacos. I have here flour tortilla. We're gonna add 1 piece of tilapia fillet to each. We're gonna add shredded lettuce, and I already washed the lettuce and tomatoes, and chopped tomatoes we're gonna add on top. We're gonna add fresh chopped pineapples to add that sweetness, and I'm also adding pineapple salsa store-bought. Now this is optional, but I'm telling you, it's so good. For a little kick, I'm adding chipotle aioli. You can add sriracha if you want. And last but not least, ranch sauce. You can add crema if you have crema. So good, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick and easy loaded fish tacos, and I will see you on my next recipe. Bye.